Hey there. Till now we have just used a model create using either the ML.NET or the TensorFlow. But various other companies have provided a solution for the ML and AI development, such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook, IBM, DeepMind, Intel, etc. There might come a situation when you have to develop the same thing on the multiple platforms. Instead of creating a model for each platform, ONNX allows you to export the model creating it from the one platform to the another. For example, model create using the PyTorch can use in the ML.NET and vice versa. ONNX stands for Open Neural Network Exchange. ONNX is an open format for machine learning model. It allows you to interchange the model between the various machine learning framework and tools. ONNX introduced by Facebook and Microsoft in 2017. And later, IBM, Huawei, Intel, AMD, ARM, and Qualcomm announced support for that. And this project is a part of Linux AI. Here are the frameworks that currently supported by the ONNX. It includes CAF2, MATLAB, Skykit, Cognitive Toolkit, TensorFlow, MX.NET, and many more. We can use the cloud providers such as Azure and Cognitive Services and deploy applications on the multiple platforms. That includes the Intel, NVIDIA, MI, Qualcomm, and Windows. Here is a list of users of ONNX. And this project is a part of Linux AI. Stay tuned for the next session.